Let me show you how to quickly invite members to Notion. So there's few ways to actually go about this. You can either click your profile on the upper left hand side, and under here you will find the option to quickly invite members. So you can click on that and you will be able to invite members. Alternatively, you have the quick access to the lower left hand side where you can invite members as well. So you can click there and enter their email address. Once you do so, you'll find them appear and you can choose a role. So they can be a workspace owner or you can just let them be a member. As I'm currently on the free plan, I'm going to just leave it as a workspace owner and you can just say whatever you want. I'm going to just say hi, welcome, just an example, right? And send the invitation. Now, once the person accepts, then they'll be able to quickly have full access to that workspace as well. And that's how you can easily go ahead and add or invite members to Notion. Now, so once you invite the person to Notion, then what's going to happen is that they'll be able to quickly get a notification in their own Notion account that you have invited them. So let me show you from that separate account. So I'm going to open up that account and immediately what you'll be able to do is to see the upper left hand side. And as you can see, there's a little icon there, a little notification icon there. There's a little red dot there that shows that there's something new. So I'm going to click and you can see here that I have a second Notion here. So here shows my Notion and it also shows a second Notion, which is a different workspace for that user who invited me to their Notion. So I can always switch to that Notion. As you can see, that's what it looks like. And of course, you can always go ahead and switch back to your personal workspace as well. But that's how you go ahead and invite someone to Notion. And of course, that's how you'll be able to quickly check those notifications and those workspace that where you've been invited on Notion.